To TBK Career Point. So here is another opportunity for 2025 batch students from Qualcomm company, location Hyderabad. 2025 campus hire software engineer position. So regarding the company, all details are given here. Opportunity, job area, general summary of the job, engineer software, locations Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, and what all the subjects or the skills you need to have. So everything is mentioned here. You can go through it and apply for it. Minimum qualifications. So everything is mentioned here. So 2025 batch students, they can apply for it. Popular skills of previous hires: API, Java, Docker, Android, CSS. This is the previous hide data, and you can upload your resume here, and the link is provided in the description box. Share to your friends also and like the video for better reach. Thank you all.